the king's horses and all of the men could not put Humpty together then. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the muddy puddles and all the slime made poor Humpty messy all the time. Humpty Dumpty bounced on the hay. Humpty Dumpty rolled away. All the farmyard chickens and all the hay watched poor Humpty spin all day. Humpty Dumpty floated downstream. Humpty Dumpty lost his beam. All the splishy water and all the waves floated poor Humpty away all day. Humpty Dumpty danced with paint. Humpty Dumpty slipped again. All the rainbow colors and all the art splashed poor Humpty head to heart. Humpty Dumpty jumped so high. Humpty Dumpty